We saw the Dean's Excellence Fund as a way to give money that would give the Dean some degrees of freedom in how he used it for where the greatest needs were. So it was all about really empowering him with resources that he could use at his discretion and the leadership of the college's discretion to provide what they need, to go to the greatest needs.
I give it the leadership level for a couple reasons. One, I think the amount of money that we're able to contribute is meaningful to the college. So again, we're spending dollars very wisely for the college. Additionally, I've seen some of the results of the spending, which is meaningful to me and to the people that receive it. Really am pleased to see where the engineering school has gone. The leadership of Dean Anand and the entire faculty and support staff have done a great job of really positioning Clemson's engineering as a preeminent engineering school.
We felt like providing the support the college needs to execute on its vision, or at least part of that support, is very important both for the college as well as the university's reputation. And so I feel like we're getting double bang for our buck, supporting the college and supporting the university through that support.
We need to support students that need the support financially. We also need to retain, attract the best and brightest in faculty. And again, I'm confident that Dean Anand and the entire leadership of the school will make sure that happens.
Connect to the Dean. Dean Gramapati is a real asset to the college and the university. His vision is compelling in that it would represent a meaningful growth for the college, but it's also very practical and it's something that can be executed on. So we're encouraged by the direction, and I would encourage others to learn that, and I think that would make it much easier to be convinced to support the university, because it's going to be money very well spent.
Hello. I would like to take a few minutes to thank you for your generosity and being part of the Leadership Circle. Your gifts directly impact our students, faculty, and staff, and this year especially, we appreciate your support. This year, some of our students found themselves in challenging family situations, and your generous contributions provided the help they needed to continue with their education. In our college, these discretionary funds help us in several critical areas, providing completion grants, creating an environment of inclusion and diversity, recognizing faculty and staff excellence, experiential learning, helping students thrive, and recruiting, just to name a few. As our faculty have adapted to online instruction, they have exemplified the flexibility, goodwill, and creativity that our college is known for. And your support lets me recognize our top researchers and instructors. Your support also helps us recognize our exceptional staff who ensure the smooth running of this college. If you are looking for ways to make an even greater impact, please feel free to reach out to me. Let me personally tell you how much we appreciate all you do for us. Be safe, remain healthy, and go Tigers!